guys, welcome to our channel News Meto. Please like, share, subscribe and do not forget to press the bell icon so you will get the notification of our daily updates. The grim milestone. At 79 days, India took longer than the worst affected countries to record 5,000 deaths from COVID-19. The number of deaths due to the coronavirus disease in India crossed the 5,000 mark on Saturday, reaching a grim milestone, but with a fatality rate which at 2.8% is much lower than the global 6%. There is a hope that the outbreak in the country may not be as deadly as it has been in many countries, perhaps highlighting some of the gains from the nationwide lockdown. Meanwhile, the recovery rate in India improved to 47% on Saturday, up 5 percentage points from just a week ago. N95 marks protect user, not those around experts. Caution: value could act as easy passage for germs and endanger those in proximity. People using N95 masks with respiratory values may be protecting themselves, but those around them could be at high risk of contracting an infection, according to experts, who recommended the use of face covers without values in viral outbreaks such as the coronavirus disease pandemic. Delhi, many step ahead of COVID numbers, shortage of hospital beds, CM, 18.5k cases, Kejriwal urges residents not to panic, says government hospital in city would also provide the best of facilities. A coronavirus shaped helmet and protective mask kept on the road during an awareness drive in the capital. Three-stage strategy. All activities prohibited earlier will be opened in areas outside containment zone in phased manner, the government has said. Phase 1. Religious places, hotels, restaurants and shopping malls to open from June, and Health Ministry to issue guidelines for resumption of these activities. Phase 2. Educational institutions includes schools and colleges will open after consultation with states, UTS, who can discuss the matter with parents and other stakeholders. A decision will be taken in July. Phase 3. International air travel, metro rail services, cinema halls, gym, swimming pools, bars, entertainment parks and auditorium are still banned across the country. Large congregations including social, political, religious and sporting events too are prohibited. Night curfew 9 p.m. to 5 a.m. instead of 7 p.m. to 7 a.m. The night curfew for non-essential activities will now be enforced for shorter duration of Delhi wholesale medicine hub shut after 12 cases. Delhi largest wholesale market for medicine, Bhagirath Palace in Chandni Chowk, has been shut till June 4 after at least 12 people tested positive for COVID-19 from the area in the last 10 days. Traders said that on Saturday, one block of the market comprising around 50 shops was shut. The remaining will close from Sunday onwards till June 4. PM reaches out to people to mark 1 year of NDA 2.0. Progress report. Amit Shah says BJP corrected many historical wrongs. Nada calls it a year of accomplishment challenges. The Bharatiya Janata Party led National Democratic Alliance completed 1 year of its second terms on Saturday, with senior party leaders such as Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Home Minister Amit Shah and BJP President J.P. Nada listening the central government's achievement during the